Welcome to English Learn, your go-to channel for mastering the English language. Don't forget to like, share and comment on our videos. Subscribe for regular updates and new content that will enhance your learning journey. Struggling with English can feel overwhelming, but it was a journey that transformed my life. From the moment I began speaking, I encountered challenges that made me feel inadequate. I often hesitated to express myself, fearing judgment and misunderstanding. Yet, deep within me resided a desire to overcome these barriers and communicate with confidence. The turning point in my struggle came when I embraced the idea of immersion. I began surrounding myself with English in every aspect of my daily life. Whether listening to podcasts, watching movies, or reading books, I was determined to immerse myself in the language. Each new word and phrase became a stepping stone that led me toward fluency, turning the daunting into the delightful. Practice was key to my progress. I started engaging with native speakers, joining conversation clubs, and participating in online language exchanges. It was through these interactions that I learned the importance of making mistakes. Each stumble allowed me to refine my skills and grow more comfortable with conversational English. My confidence soared as I realized that imperfect speech was a stepping stone to mastery, not a roadblock. To reinforce my learning, I diligently crafted a routine blending vocabulary building with practical usage. Each day I set aside time to learn new words and phrases, then challenged myself to incorporate them into daily conversations. This method not only expanded my vocabulary, but also solidified my understanding of English structures. The more I practiced, the more natural speaking English felt, turning my anxiety into excitement. Celebrating small victories became an essential part of my journey. I recorded myself speaking, paying attention to improvements over time. Each successful conversation felt like a triumph that propelled me forward. I began to cherish moments when I could express my thoughts fluently and watch as my confidence blossomed before my very eyes. With persistence and determination, I transformed from a hesitant speaker to someone who relished the power of expression in English. Today, I engage in debates, share experiences, and connect with people across cultures, all thanks to the practices that worked for me. My journey reminds me that English fluency is not just about perfect grammar. It's about the courage to communicate and the joy of connection.